who did you guys swear an oath to?
Well, Hugh didn't swear an oath, but I swore an oath, holding my hand on the Bible to the Queen.
To the Queen of who?
Australia.
Yeah, we don't have a Queen of Australia. It is Your Majesty, Queen Elizabeth II of England and Ireland.
The definition of a person versus a man or woman. 1. Man and woman under lawful authority. A man or woman is a living, breathing soul created by God, recognised in the preamble of the Commonwealth of Australia Constitution Act 1900. Open quote. Whereas the people, humbly relying on the blessing of Almighty God. Close quote. The recognition of men and women is embedded in the lawful constitution, preambles, clauses 1 to 6. Sovereignty flows from the people through the Crown into Parliament, never the other way around. Under common law of England, the foundation of Australian law, men and women hold unalienable rights that cannot be taken away or converted. Number 2. What is a person? In legal dictionaries and statutes, person does not mean the same as a man or woman. A person is an artificial legal entity. It can be a corporation, a trust, a statutory creation, or a legal fiction representing a man or woman, e.g. John Smith in all caps. Statutes apply to persons, not to men and women in their natural capacity. The trick, when you consent or fail to rebut, the system assumes you stand as the person, the fiction, not as the man or woman. How the fraud was done. The lawful constitution, clauses 1 to 6, preamble, recognised the people, real men and women. In 1973, the political parties began enacting laws under a false enacting clause with the fake Queen of Australia. They dropped recognition of the people and substituted legal persons. The corporate system today governs only these persons, not men and women. That's why modern government, courts and agencies address you as MR John Doe or MS Jane Doe. They're dealing with the corporate person, not the living man or woman. Number 4, the core difference. Man, woman, living soul under God, recognised in the lawful commonwealth, sovereign, unalienable rights. Person equals artificial fiction, statutory entity subject to corporate statutes and regulations, has only privileges, not rights. Key takeaway. The entire treason of the political parties rests on this sleight of hand. They removed the lawful recognition of men and women under God. They substituted persons, which they control entirely by legislation. This is how Australians have been enslaved without most ever realising it. Final line. You were born a man or woman, but the system registers you as a person. The lawful Commonwealth recognises you as one of the people. The unlawful corporate system only deals with your person.